Dear students, so today we will make a payroll. This is a real life example. We worked all week. Now end of the week, we need to get pay. So now we have to organize all the work and start our Excel sheet, make an Excel sheet so we can get send our document to the payroll department so they can pay us. This is our work order. We worked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Work this 9 task this week. Each task
আমারটা বাজে না, তুমি কথা বলতেছি তো, সরি।
each task will be we will put on the Excel sheet so we can get paid. So let's open all this work. We opened it. From this we have to start taking the information, right? What information we are taking from here? In this format we need work order number. So work order number on the paper you can see. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so this is assignment ID. That's our work order number. Or maybe let's say we rename it with assignment ID so it can match exactly what is on there. Assignment ID. Okay. So our first assignment ID is, this is our first assignment ID. We're just taking from there and pasting on the Excel sheet. Now next thing we need the address of the location where we work. So this is the address. This is the place we work. This address goes over. We're doing wrap text so that we don't go on the other column. Right. Next thing we need date. What date we did this work? November 11, 2025, right? So our date will be what? 11-20 November. What was the date? November 7. 11/7/2025. Now our work. So in this assignment, all the work we will get, all the assignment we will get paid for 3 hours. Regardless how long we take to do this assignment, that's how the agreement with the assignment. So we work hour is 3 hours, and pay rate is $35 per hour, and toll, if we go over the bridge anywhere, depending on the address, if we pay toll, we need to claim the toll for this company. We will come back to this later because each day we will get just one toll for per uh, site per day, not for per site. So one day, because if someday we did 1, 2, maybe 3 work order on the same area. So we have to see how many toll. If we do just one way or two-way toll, we have to do the accordingly. So we will leave it alone for now, because and then cable, how many cable, like RJ45 cable for this job we will use, we used for this job. So we'll put that. If you have any other expense, we'll put that, and we will make the total of it and remark. So let's finish all this sheet up to this date, address, and day, hour. So assignment ID, address, and date. These three things we will get from the work order. So let's fill up this, and then we will calculate rest. Okay, so far we took our assignment ID, and we
Yes.
took the address and the date,
Good.
right?
Yeah.
Now, what you need to do now, assignment ID, all the assignment ID is different, right? Different work order have different ID, different work order have different address, and all are having different date. But what is the common? Hourly rate, hour. We said
Yeah.
all our assignment, we will get paid for 3 hours, regardless how long we take to finish this assignment. Is normally supposed to finish within 2 hours, but some could be take for if there is any problem, it could be take 3 hours, even 4 hours. So company pay us average 3 hours per work. So we can average out. If it's less out than 3, more than 3, get 3. So what we need to do then? We put hour for 1, and then we put the fill handle, right? Take the fill handle and just bring it down, all the way down, all the way down up to here. Fill everything with the 3 hour. Pay rate, same, all the hour will be $35 per hour. So we putting the fill handle to fill all this hour. Computer goes a little bit slow, I think. That's why it's taking some time. Anyway, now okay, so it's done. Now toll. Now we have to put the toll. Like I said before, we will get the toll by the day or by the location. So each day we went on the same location. Now look at this. First it was 7 and 3, 4. So the we had the assignment ID was not the same order. So that's why when we make our all the assignment ID, we put in a folder. It was according to the number it have. But in the Excel sheet, we need to arrange it according to the date. If we don't arrange it according to the date, we will not will be able to do the toll, because we cannot claim same day told twice, right? So we need to, what you need to do, we need to arrange this Excel sheet, all this according to the date. So what we do, we go here and we sort it. We can do sort oldest to newest, or we can sort newest to oldest. We can sort by color. We can do other type of date filter. We can do a lot of other thing, right? So I like to do oldest to newest. So the first day of the week will be the top, and the last day of the week will be the bottom. So let's do sort according to oldest to newest. So once we select that, now let's see what happened. Oh, see, this date was wrong. That's why it should be 11. Okay, let's do again. Check all the date. 11, 6, 11, 7, 11, 7, 11, 5, 11, 5, 11, 4, 11, 3. This date was wrong. That's why it gave us wrong date. So let's do again. Let's do oldest to newest. So we do oldest to newest. So 7 was the last day of the week, and 3 was the first day of the week. We can just, whatever way we want, we can do newest to oldest, or oldest to newest. Anyway, we just need to arrange it. Now we arrange it. We see the zip code 10598. So we claim the toll, two-way toll, $14 toll. And next one is a different zip code, even the different date. So on this date, Pleasant View Road, Pleasantville. So we will claim all the, let's say for this purpose, we just say all of them are the same toll. We claim toll for everything for today's purpose, but we will sort accordingly. Now cable, let's say for all the cable, all the site, let's say we use 3 cable, and each cable is $5. Now how we do that? We can make two row, 2 column for that, but we want to do just in 1 column, so we can do like this. So this column will be equal 3 cable times each cable is $5, so $15
কেবলটা বলতে কি বোঝাতে চান?
cable. So for this
না
work we need the
mean by cable.
cable is the wire, the RJ45 cable. I will show you.
আমি যখন ইয়েতে যাব কেবল যদি দরকার পড়ে কাজের সময় এর জন্যই কি কি লাগবে?
Yes, that for this work we need to use some RJ45 cable. I will show in the when we do the hardware class. We will show what that looks like. Other expense, let's say we don't have any other expense for this. Now we do the total. So what is the, so remember, you get the formula here, right? We can make it 2 different column for this, but we just did 1 column with we put equal 3 cable, $5 each, right? For all of this have the same. Now next column, other expense, we leave it blank, 0. And so total will be, what is the formula? Now equal hourly work, that's the many hour we work, times pay rate per work. This times this plus toll plus cable plus any other expense. That's all expense. Okay, enter. So that's the amount we get. 3 hour work, $35 per period. Toll is $14. Cable is $15. And if there is any other expense, so for this purpose, we just ignore everything, ignore the expense, and we put cable for all, we put toll for all. Now we have like, so this will like wheel handle, everything was filled. All right. We in this row, we don't have anything. Just clean up this row. Clear the content. We don't have any information in this row. Let's clear the content. And here, clear the content. So total, right? We want to do, we have 9 work, and the end of the 9, what we do? Auto sum. We just do auto sum. So it's did, what is like bigger than our, so total is $1,206. We just did auto sum. Total of this, all the 9 work, right? It's easy, right? We finish all the work accordingly. Don't worry about whatever in the down, because we are not using those. We are done. So on the last row, we should do, we'll put a thick border to distinguish. This is our last border. So we put a thick border to distinguish. This is our, we can even do a different color. Let's see, I can change the color. Let's do it red. So we did this red color. So we know this is our column, last column, total. Maybe we can make it bold. Maybe we can make it a little bit bigger. 14. Okay. So that's it. That's it. Our table is ready. Now we can send it to the payroll department, finance or accounting, to get our paid. Everybody is clear? Anybody have any question? Mohammad Ali bhai asked before, the question is why we get the assignment ID, address, date. That's all came from the our assignment we
assignment
get.
আইডি
Yes, everything on the
আচ্ছা, অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট আইডি অ্যাড্রেস আমি একখানে অনলাইন থেকে পাইলাম, ধরেন ওখান থেকে যখন অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট আইডি এগুলো আনবো, এগুলো যে কপি প্লাস পেস্ট করে করে আনবো না?
আপনার যেহেতু এটা হচ্ছে আছে অলরেডি, আমার তো আলাদা করে লেখার দরকার নাই। আমি এখান থেকে জাস্ট এটা সিলেক্ট
হ্যাঁ,
করলাম, এই যে কপি, আমার
হ্যাঁ,
কপি অপশন আসলে কপি
হ্যাঁ,
করলাম,
হ্যাঁ,
আমি ওখানে নিয়ে যেয়ে পেস্ট করে দিলাম।
বুঝছি, ঠিক আছে, এটি বুঝছি।
ওকে, ঠিক আছে, ক্লিয়ার।
জি,
উই পুট
একটু 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 এই যে
ওকে,
আবার আবার একটু টোটালটা হইতেছে আওয়ারলি ওয়ার্ক ইনটু, না, ওয়ার্ক আওয়ার, তাই না, ইনটু রেট, এই দুইটাই
হ্যাঁ
সেম।
হ্যাঁ, টোটাল হচ্ছে হাউ মেনি আওয়ার উই ওয়ার্ক,
আর
3
রেট
hour per day, and per pay rate is
35।
35. So look at this here. This is the address you can see, right? So hour we work times multiplied by pay rate.
হ্যাঁ,
hour we work multiplied by the pay rate. How
Pay
much we getting per hour.
Yeah.
So that's the per hour. And the plus will be what? Toll. How much we pay toll
যে কটা
for
প্লাস
toll for
টুল
this,
প্লাস কেবল প্লাস
plus cable cost, all other expense will be plus. Only the pay rate hour will be multiplied. All other will be plus. So these two row multiply and then plus this, plus this, plus this. At the end, if we have any remark, we can put remark. We can anything, any problem or any concern, we can remark this to let them know, let the company, hey, this store having this type of problem. We need, let's say, three cable, right? Right. Looking at this, I don't know how many cable is there. Don't understand, right? We said is three cable, $5. Let's say on the remark, we just put it.